Wow! Joanna Robles. I rate this look a 9 out of 10. Very elegant, very classy, very long skirt, Joanna.
10 out of 10! Why? Because I know the top! Very boyish and guapo sa bottoms and very chic and beautiful sa top!
My rate is 15 out of 10. It's a very sexy outfit and stylish.
Okay, maganda siya. Alam niyo, sobrang tibay niyan kasi 3 years na yung top na yan. Pero kung ako niyan, lalagyan ko siya ng jacket. So, 9 over 10.
I like the matchy, yung top and bottom. I like how you played with the accessories.
I rate a 9 out of 10. Grabe, tumagi na bagay kahit anong okasyon. Birthday party, wedding party. You're so perfect. Thank you. I love it. You're very casual. It's very you. I rate it a 9 out of 10. Nandito lang isa kasi number 1 ka sa puso.
Wow, and this is Stacey. Ladies and gentlemen, I love your outfit, Stacey. It's a 10 out of 10.
Hey, Plastic Blooms! Watch out for Shopee's 99 Super Shopee sale!
With Shopee's on-time delivery guarantee na sobrang convenient.
Plus millions of fashion deals from Shopee stars at 50% off and more!
Enjoy free shipping with